Saving with Shay, and we are here for our weekend haul. What? So listen, if you're new here, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like and support your girl. I did mention in my last video how important it is for y'all to hit the like button. Why that video get the most likes that I've gotten in a long time? And if I have to remind y'all to like the video, like the video. If you watching every video, hello? Like, why? Why not just like? Why? If you watching to the end, why? Not just, it only takes you a second, helps out the algorithm, let your girl know she's allowed important, just a little bit, just poquito important. So definitely don't forget to smash the like button, you guys. So I have notes, because I've been forgetting to talk about certain things. The first thing is Rockstar. I sent them another email yesterday. They have yet to get back to me. I haven't even tried to submit any receipts. I should try to submit an older receipt and see if I get anything different than you have no more redemptions for this at this time or whatever. With Flavor Wiki, I just posted a video yesterday about Flavor Wiki, but the number one question that I am getting is, can you get any size? You could get any size with their offers as long as the offer doesn't specify otherwise. You can get it at any store unless the offer specifies otherwise. And so with a lot of their items, you can find them in smaller counts, you know, and so it's just gonna make it a much bigger money maker for you. I like getting the smaller ones. For one, it's a bigger money maker, and for two, it's stuff that I'm really not gonna eat. So it's like, what's the point of me taking one out to try it, and then now I got this whole box I gotta donate because I know I'm not gonna eat it, and nobody in the house is gonna eat it. And so which I'm not opposed to giving it to my sister. A lot of the items that I can't find in smaller sizes, I end up donating those anyways. And so that's with Flavor Wiki. With Shopkick, so yesterday I started having issues with cashing out. It's asking, it sends a verification code to my phone, but I literally can't get past that, right? There's nowhere for me to enter a verification code. So I put in a ticket. They said they're having issues with PayPal right now, but they let me know that there's other awesome options that we can cash out for. And I like PayPal because I want my cash. The other thing was Swagbucks. I put a post up on my community tab on like them having this issue lately where when you click on the offer, it says 0 available. So I'm just telling you guys that with the sister apps, don't just see the offer there and say we're good to go. Click on it and see if there's any available, because I'm hoping that this is something they're gonna fix, because it's something that just started happening recently. And if it says 0 available, that means that it's not going to go through, and you'll have to put a ticket in. And a lot of you guys are saying that you're not getting, they're not reimbursing you. I did for the Sun Kiss, which was one of the first times I saw that happen, but I was going to go do the soft soap again, and I happened to click on it and it said 0 redemptions available, so I didn't do it. So just a heads up on that. What else? I think that was it for now. So we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you can grab, you know what to do. Keep on watching. So this first deal, have you guys noticed they changed their labels? They've had the same labels forever. They finally changed them. So this first deal I'm gonna try is on the Folgers. It's priced at $116. We have an offer for $1.50 on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox Arta. I'm gonna try and see if it works. So grab one at $116. Getting back $1.50 makes this a 34-cent moneymaker. Okay, so really quick for the Flavor Wiki deal on the Hostess cupcakes, you could actually get this one right here, the single serving, priced at $168, but it has to be the chocolate one only. You'll get back 5. It'll make that a $3.32 moneymaker. See, it's the Oreo minis. I assume it would work on these because they are the original ones. They're just mini ones. They're priced at $174. Getting back 5 on Flavor Wiki would make that a $3.26 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Dave's Killer Bread bars. This store doesn't actually carry them, but they are priced at $4.48. So you want to grab 2, you'll pay $8.96. Get back $6.77 on Ibotta for buying 2. I also have $2 back on Swagbucks, making them only 9 cents each. Okay. All right. So this store doesn't carry the Nature Valley, the wafer, the strawberry one, but it's priced at $4.32. getting back 5 on Flavor Wiki, making that a 53-cent moneymaker. Right, so as far as the Pop-Tarts, I actually got mine from CVS because they're on sale this week for $1.99, and then I had a $4 off purchase. So I basically paid nothing, got back 10. It was a better deal for me over there. But if you are going to Walmart and you want to get them here, you can grab the s'mores one at $2.62. You'll get back 5 through Flavor Wiki. It'll make that a $2.38 moneymaker. There's one for that one. There's also one for the strawberry as well. Same price, same rebate back. Making that one a $2.38 moneymaker as well. All right, so this next deal is on the Keebler fudge stripes. They are priced at, is it this one? I think they're priced more here. Let me see something really quick. Yeah, they are more here. Well, online is set $2.98. So if you grab 2 at $2.98, you'll pay $5.96. You'll get back 680 points on my points, which is $4.27. It'll make them 84 cents each. I was hoping to find the Beetlejuice ones. They're the Halloween ones. Those you're getting back $5 for buying 2, which would make those like 50 cents or something like that, which is really cool. Guys, so this next deal is on the St. James tea. I've actually tried this one, and they're not really bad. They're not super sweet. But we're going to grab one price at $2.48. You'll get that back through an aisles offer. I'll have a link for you. This is actually the third time I've done a deal like this. I think the first one was a buy one, get one free. The second one was a buy one, get it free. And this one is a buy one, get it free. And then $1 back on Ibotta, making that a $1 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Victor Allen coffee drinks, priced at $2.98. I'm grabbing one, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 50 cents on Fetch Reward as well, making it 48 cents with a limit of 2 for Ibotta and a limit of 5 on Fetch. Next up is the Life Water, priced at $1.98 for the liter. Getting back $1 on Ibotta, making that only 98 cents. We also have an offer for the Gatorade water as well, also priced at $1.98, getting back $1 on Ibotta, bringing that down to 98 cents. All right, so next up is the Beneful Credit Bites. They are priced at 92 cents. We're going to grab 3 of them. You'll pay $2.76. You're going to get back 75 cents on Ibotta, ta-da, and checkout 51, making them only 17 cents each. Next up is the Beneful. Now this is no longer on Shopkick, but I did do it one last time, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta as well as Tada, and then 950 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.88, making this a $2.14 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the all detergent. I don't see the Sensitive Fresh pods, but those are priced at $4.97, and then liquid is priced at $5.22. So the 2 is going to come to $10.19. We'll get back $2 for each one Ibotta. And then on my points, we're getting back, I think it's 75 cents for one of them, $1 for the other one. It works out to be 298 points, or $1.87 for my points, and then 300 points for each of them. On Shopkick are $2.40. And then last but not least, I'll hit the $10 mark to get back the $1.50 on Fetch, bringing these down to only 27 cents each. This deal is on the Purcell Pods, Ultra Packs rather. They don't have them at this store. They're priced at $4.77. I did find some more of these $2 coupons yesterday when I was here. So you're going to pay $2.77 out of pocket. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 150 kicks on Shopkick, which is 60 cents, bringing it down to $1.17. I don't have any offers on Fetch Reward as of now, but obviously if you do, then it makes it an even better deal. You guys saw my community post yesterday, I think it was. You know that the Tresemme trial size is no longer working for the offer, but I did do it the day before for Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta. So I paid $6.36, got back 6 from each, 2 separate transactions, making them only 12 cents each. So we're going to go ahead and grab the gum soft picks again, priced at $2.96, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Swagbucks, as well as $1 on Checkout 51, making this a 4-cent moneymaker. And of course, they're out of all of the Pinkie Pads. This is the only location out of the 4 stores in my area that actually carries these. I wonder if this would work. I'm going to try it. What I'll do is, because the aisles offer goes through pretty fast, so I'll grab 2 of these priced at $8.98. I'm going to pay $19.96. and get back $9.98 through the aisles offer, and then $4.50 for each on Ibotta. So it'd make it 98 cents for two of them, or only 49 cents each. So I'm gonna try it and see if it works. I'll let you guys know. So I think this just might be my last deal. I literally saw this when I was on my way to checkout. It's on the Every Man Jack. So for this, you're gonna grab a deodorant price at $6.47. We're also gonna be grabbing the body wash as well. They have this one here priced at $6.47. So the two is gonna come to $12.94. You'll get back $3 for each on Ibotta, two different offers, plus a $6 bonus for buying the two, bringing these down to 94 cents, are only 47 cents each. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for this is like take 17. I ain't even joking. So I got a human being in the next room, all right, playing this game. You know, he don't like to lose. I don't think any of us like to lose, but he really don't like to lose. So if you hear any sudden outbursts, I really, truly, sincerely apologize in advance. All right, so this worked out pretty good. The Folgers, that worked out perfectly fine on Ta-Da. So I'll definitely be doing that again. On the other apps, I did try the trial size spray deodorants, the Dove, to see if that would work for the offer on Fetch Reward, buy two, get back $5.50. It didn't work. So that's going back on my next trip. The Pinkie Pad pouch, say that 10 times fast. That did work for aisles as well as Ibotta, which was cool. I had to go to 7-Eleven, you guys, and do this croissant deal. These are so good. I already ate like 2 of them already. I don't know which one of y'all said throw it in the air fryer. I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta send you a thank you letter. Oh my gosh. So freaking good. Pay $1, get $1, then it's $5. I'm definitely gonna probably do that deal again as well. Arm & Hammer is dead, y'all. I did that deal just in the nick of time. I was thinking these will probably sell pretty fast for me. I was like, I should do it again. When I went back in to do it on inbox dollars, it was already reduced to like $2.25. I was like, dang. With the so last time I did this combination, it wasn't, the Mighty Packs wasn't tracking for the spend 10, get back 150. I corrected my receipt and it worked perfectly fine. This time around, 3-4 times, it wasn't working. Had to reach out to support and they were able to credit me the $1.50 for that. So I'm thinking next time I do that deal, I might just grab 2 of the liquids instead. If I do it. And I have yet to find any Pillies, y'all. I'll be looking too. I did find some more per sale though, which is cool. Now some more surveys popped up on Flavor Wiki when I was in store. Some of them are Kroger, which for us is Food for Less affiliate. I only found the strawberry flavor. They also have one for, I think, s'mores and I think brown sugar, I want to say, or cookies and cream. But the only one I found was that one. They have one of them that is sold at Dollar Tree too, but when I went, they didn't have strawberry. They only had like cookies and cream. And now I did get 2 $4 purchase CRTs on 2 different cards for CVS, which is why I went ahead and just went to see what I could get there. They had the Pop-Tarts for $1.99 each. I grabbed 2, used $4 CRT, paid nothing, got back 10. I grabbed the Oreos at $2.39 and the cupcakes at $2.89. I only paid like $1 and like 23 cents or something like that. Got back 10. It was perfect. Other than that, I think that's basically it. Now, if you don't have the Flavor Wiki surveys in your dashboard or whatever, whether you use the app or the browser, I do both. I'll have a link for you. Now, whenever you guys use my link, I do get $1. So 8 of you guys have used my link since my last video. So I definitely will be including that in my numbers as well. And so everything that you see here retails $148.86. We had $16 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $132.86. My sales tax was $11.18. And then we walk away with $70.02 from Ibotta, $38 from Flavor Wiki, $12.46 from Aisles, $12 from Swagbucks, $6.22 from Shopkick, $2.75 from Tada, $2.50 from Fetch Reward, $1.87 from My Points, and last but not least, 75 cents from Checkout 51. So they walk away with a total of $146.57 in rebates, making everything that you see here free plus a $13.71 moneymaker, which is really awesome. Other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that if you got to this point in the video that you liked it. Let's just have this chat. If you got to this point in the video, you see my hand right here, don't forget to hit the like button. For real. Other than that, I want to know what your favorite deal is this weekend. For me, anything that's making me money is my favorite deal. But for this, I'm going to say my favorite deal is probably the detergent. Because I think that was a pretty decent deal. And I used the money that I made from the Pop-Tarts, the Oreos, and the Twink and the Hostess to pay for that, which was really cool. All right. If you don't have a favorite deal, I want to see donuts in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.